Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good day to all my Year 4 pupils. Our lesson today is on Module 7, which is helping out, and we are going to read a text on Help the Earth Recycle. It is in the student's book, page 74. Then we are going to do some tasks in the workbook, page 61 and 63. With that, let's begin. Okay, now you can take out your student's book and turn to page 74. Okay, before we read this text, let's learn a few vocabularies regarding the text. The first one is recycling, recycling, metal, metal, paper, paper, plastic, plastic, glass, glass. Okay, now let's read the text on Help the Earth Recycle. Recycling is using something you don't need anymore to make something new. This helps the earth because we don't make so much rubbish. We can't recycle everything, but we can recycle metal, paper, glass, and plastic. For example, we can recycle empty metal cans of soft drinks, boxes, and glass bottles. We can use old plastic bottles to make new bottles and also shoes and clothes. Everyone can recycle. Just put metal, paper, glass, and plastic in the recycling bins, not in the rubbish. So, next time you clean your room, think, what can I recycle? And the value from this text is, let's help protect the environment. Okay, everyone. Before we move on to the task, I want to ask you how to make clothes from plastic bottles. Have you ever wondered? Okay, let's see. Okay, from the PET bottles, the bottles are crushed into flakes like this. And then the flakes are washed and converted to fiber. And the fiber is spun into yarns, like a thread. And then the yarns then turn into fabrics or clothes. Isn't it interesting? Okay, so let's see task 1. Match objects 1 to 6 with the correct recycling bin. Picture 1, this is a metal can, so it should go to the metal recycling bin. Number 2, the glass bottle should go to the glass recycling bin. Number 3, the plastic cup will go to the plastic recycling bin. And number 4, the glass jar should go to the glass recycling bin. And number 5, the cereal box should go to the paper recycling bin. And number 6, the books should go to the paper recycling bin. Okay, and for you to do task 2, you have to know what are indefinite pronouns. Indefinite pronoun is a pronoun that refers to a person or a thing without being specific. Okay, let's see the examples. Okay, for people, we have someone, seseorang, everyone, setiap orang, anyone, sesiapa sahaja, and no one, tiada sesiapa. And for things, we have something, sesuatu, everything, semua benda, nothing, tiada apa-apa, and anything, apa-apa sahaja. Okay, let's see how these words are used in the sentences. For someone, someone is sleeping on the bed. For something, there is something in the garden. For everyone, everyone is here for the party. For everything, she has everything on the table. For no one remembers her birthday. For nothing, there is nothing much left in the fridge. For anyone, we didn't invite anyone for the wedding. And for anything, they can choose anything from the menu. Okay, these are taken from Teacher Asha. Okay, so now let's look at task 2. You have to read and write something, someone, everyone, and everything. Okay, for number 1, I'm thirsty. Let's have something to drink. Number 2, there is, okay, look at the picture. There is someone behind the tree. Who is it? Number 3, everyone is having fun. And number 4, I pack everything. I'm ready to go. Okay, and for task 3, you have to listen and write T for true or F for false. Okay, let's listen to the audio.
Module 7. Workbook. Our World. 3. Listen and write T for true or F for false.
What are you doing, Stu?
I'm recycling. I'm trying to save our planet.
Yes, but what are you recycling exactly?
A bottle of orange juice. I want to help the earth.
Well, you aren't doing it right.
What do you mean? I'm throwing it in the recycling bin for bottles.
That's a plastic bottle. You have to put it in a special bin for plastic. This bin is only for glass.
Oh, I didn't see that.
Anyway, this bottle isn't clean. You have to wash it first.
Wash it? Amy, there's only a drop of juice in it.
All the same, you have to wash it before you put it in the recycling bin.
Okay. Can I recycle this pizza box from last night?
No, because it isn't clean. You see, you can't recycle anything with food in it.
How do you know all that?
Here, read this. Someone came to school today and talked to us about recycling. This leaflet has got everything you need to know about recycling.
Thanks, Amy.
Okay, everyone. So now let's answer these questions. Okay, number 1. Stu wants to recycle. Is it true or false? Yes, it's true. So you write T. Number 2. Stu threw the bottle in the recycling bin for plastic. Is it true or false? It's false because Stu threw the bottle in the recycling bin for glass. Okay, number 3. Stu washed a bottle before he put it in the recycling bin. It is false because Stu didn't wash the bottle. Okay, number 4. Stu had some pizza for dinner. It is true. And number 5. Stu knows everything about recycling. It is false because Stu doesn't know much about recycling.